In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on any page using the built-in embed block, with a clean result that works across devices. First, head to the spot on your page where you want the video to appear. You'll see the on-page editor controls. Click on Add Block. Blocks are the building pieces of your page in Squarespace, and choosing the right location now helps your layout feel intentional later. If you're layering content, just make sure there's enough space for the video to breathe visually. Next, when the block picker opens, type the word Embed into the search field. This filters the list so you don't have to scroll. The embed block is what we want here because it accepts links from popular video providers and turns them into a playable element directly on your page. Now click on Embed to place the block. You'll see a new placeholder where the video will live. If it lands slightly off from where you expected, don't worry. The block system is flexible, and what you're seeing is simply the empty frame waiting for your video source. Hover over the new block and click the pencil icon to edit. That opens the block's settings so you can tell Squarespace what to display. This is where the magic happens. You'll provide a link, and the platform will automatically recognize it and build the player for you. Paste the link to your video into the field provided. Use the share URL from your hosting platform, like a standard link to a video that's publicly viewable. After a brief moment, a preview should appear inside the block. That preview confirms that Squarespace detected the source correctly and that the video will be playable on your page. If you don't see a preview, double-check that the link is valid, publicly accessible, and from a supported provider. Some private or restricted links won't generate an embed. At this point, your video is in place. The embed block is responsive by design, so it adapts to different screen sizes without extra work. Your visitors will see the familiar player controls from the hosting service, and the video will fit naturally into your page's layout. That's the full process. Add a block, search for embed, select it, open the editor with the pencil icon, and paste your video link. Simple, reliable, and fast. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your content with a clean, professional embed on Squarespace.